Hi, I'm Melanie, principal of Melanie Morris Interiors. Welcome to my client's home in Tribeca. This is the second project I worked on with these clients, so the trust was already there. This allowed me to create a warm home with maximum design impact. And that begins right here in the entry. When I started this project, it was a white box, so I wanted to add texture and warmth to the apartment. I brought in this beautiful console that juxtaposes concrete, resin, and brass. And I selected this stunning sculptural and textural piece by Charlie Patterson. As a final touch, I sourced this lamp from In Common With. As you will see, lighting plays a big role in my design. This main space was challenging to design because of the walls of windows and the long, narrow dimensions. But there's nothing I like more than a challenge and coming up with a stylish and functional solution. So in here, I wanted to maximize seating and make it as comfortable and inviting as possible. I knew I wanted to have a statement piece that doubled as the living room sofa and the dining banquette. So I designed this serpentine sofa in this luxurious boucle fabric. And people might say, Melanie, it's cream. Are you crazy? People eat here. It's stain resistant. Don't think I don't think of everything. The base of this sofa is in a rich walnut that is mirrored in this integrated table. I selected this fixture by Apparatus Lighting to drape across the ceiling. That gives this space a sense of intimacy. The round table allowed for easy circulation, and the texture of the table and the leather chairs added warmth to the space. And sitting here allows you to take in this incredible view. And for the living room, I went with this organic shaped table. We selected this green marble because my client loves green. I always like to put a credenza underneath the TV in the living room. This piece adds variety with the ambrosia maple, but it also adds continuity with the brass elements. And I fell in love with these sconces and knew I had to place them in this room. And we also weaved green into the kitchen by upholstering these stools. Now that I've shown you the entertaining spaces, follow me to the bedroom. This primary suite underwent a complete transformation. We decided to panel the walls in this luxury walnut paneling. We created this built-in dresser/vanity, which also allowed us to center the bed on the television. The nightstands are also part of the custom millwork, and we added a curve to them to soften some of the harder edges of the room. And the curve is mimicked in the headboard of the bed. We specified this handmade hardware from Pruskin Studio on all of the drawers, and the brass is reflected in these wall sconces that flank the bed. We created a cove in the millwork to wash light across the ceiling. And all of these details just make this space feel like a sexy, luxurious hotel room. The goal for this project was to turn a white box into this cozy, stylish pied-à-terre by bringing in unique lighting, custom furniture, and of course, paying attention to the details. I'm glad you got to take a look, and I'll see you again on the next one.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.